Hi. What's wrong with you?
They say that I am the prime culprit for gastritis and stomach ulcer. I'm wronged.
Helicobacter pylori, simply called HP. It can destroy the normal structure and gastric function, causing gastric diseases. Over 50% of the world's population is infected with HP. Dinner, feed, kiss and tease are all possible to get HP. HP infection may also lead to poor appetite and growth for children, various stomach upsets, stomach cancer. Usually, most people have no obvious symptoms after get HP, and a few may cause gastritis, ulcers and other diseases. HP is also a risk factor for gastric cancer and has been classified as a Class 1 carcinogen by the WHO. After get HP, the drug treatment for taking antibiotics need 2 weeks. However, antibacterial treatment is easy to get antibiotic resistance, intestinal flora disturbance, and various adverse reactions. So the problem is if half of the population need to take medicine for HP treatment or no. After get HP, why some people have no symptoms and some people get sick? Should asymptomatic carriers take medicine? The study found that, in fact, HP can be divided as strong and weak toxicity, which can be identified by typing test. If HP secretes 2 factors, cytotoxin, CagA, and vacuolar toxin, VagA, it is a strong toxicity type 1 HP, which is easy to cause inflammation and ulcers. If the bacterial secrete urease only, it means it's weak toxicity, and it type 2 HP, and generally it does not have symptoms after get infection. Now through the second generation typing test of ISIA, precise diagnosis and treatment can be achieved. It can avoid the abuse of antibiotics and the worst effect ion from drug treatment.
Yes. I am wronged. I am type 2.
I'm wronged. We are all type 2.
ISIA's second generation Helicobacter pylori typing assay uses high-tech quantum dot immunofluorescence technology. Take blood collection for 15 minutes to help you easily identify HP type. No longer take medicines, no longer spend more money. We will have a healthy and good life.
Type 2 HP. Pass. Alarm. Alarm. Found type 1 HP. Recommend medical treatment.